Bagh Ibn-e-Qasim. The park is located near the Clifton beach, Karachi, and is Karachi's largest urban park covering over 130 acres. The northern edge begins at Jahangir Kothari Parade and ends near the coast of the Arabian Sea. Bagh Ibn-e-Qasim has 4 important heritage sites within its walls. These sites, built almost 100 years ago, reflect the rich multicultural history of Karachi. Kathak Bandstand. Visible from afar, this unique stone structure with its cupola was completed in 1920. It was gifted by the Parsi philanthropist Mr. Kathak to the people of the city. It was built for musical performances for public audiences. Its sloping walls have served as a play space for children of several generations. Jahangir Kothari Parade. It was built in 1919 by Jahangir Kothari, an important Parsi manufacturer. This sandstone pavilion, located at an elevation, serves as a shelter for visitors who come here to enjoy the cool sea breeze. Lady Lloyd Walkway. Built in 1921, it was inaugurated by Lady Lloyd, the wife of the Governor of Bombay. It is also named after her. There are 2 structures in the complex, a rectangular gizri stone pavilion and an elevated pier. This is among Karachi's most popular monuments and draws large crowds on weekends and public holidays. Sri Ratneshwar Mahadev Temple. The cave temple is an ancient holy site of the Hindus. It is especially revered because it is said to have been visited by important religious leaders like Lord Shiva and Guru Nanak. The site has a freshwater spring and a cave facing the sea. This temple is famous for its Shivratri celebration and is visited by a large number of pilgrims during religious celebrations.